kitchen calm before the storm. Future cooks getting their tastes in before school starts.
Goal is just some cooking basics. But luckily, the kids that sign up for this camp have got quite a bit of knowledge on cooking basics. Let's keep our hair tied back, any clothing that is dangly. The kids are just learning the basics of cooking safety, sanitation, how to measure, cooking utensils, what the basics of getting around in the kitchen are.
I thought I didn't know anyone, but now I'm meeting people. Yeah.
What's more important, cooking or meeting people?
Both.
So if we open a jar of something that's got meat,
I've always took an interest in cooking, especially since I saw my mom do it. I was like, that looks pretty fun. I'm gonna try it out. I was like, whoa. I didn't know I could mix water, cake mix, and pudding, put it in the microwave for a minute to make something that delicious.
Mrs. G, the new kid! Look at the new kid! And there he is, just like the whole pot of spaghetti with a spoon, just eating right out of there. Cooking at home can be your favorite thing, and it should be a bonding experience. Grandma, mom, cousins, whatever.
Whatever rows your boat or wakes up their inner cook.
Right there.
These 6th to 8th graders getting their kitchen skills on. Food camp at Iowa Western. It tastes good.